The Raffia palms are a genus of about 20 species of palms native to tropical regions of Africa, and especially Madagascar, with one species also occurring in Central and South America. They are the source of Raphia fibers, which are the veins of the leaves. They grow up to 16 meters tall and are remarkable for the compound pinnate leaves, the longest in the plant kingdom. Leaves of R.regalis up to 25 meters long and 3 meters wide are known. The plants are either monocarpic, flowering once and then dying after the seeds are mature, or hapaxanthic. Some species have individual stems which die after fruiting, but have a root system which remains alive and sends up new stems which fruit. Species: Raphia africana Otedo, Nigeria, Cameroon; Raphia australisobum and Amp.Stri, Mozambique, South Africa; Raphia farinifera Hyl, Africa from Senegal to Tanzania, south to Mozambique and Zimbabwe; Raphia gentiliana de Wild, Zaire, Central African Republic; Raphia hokerigi, Man and Amp.H, Wendell, Western and Central Africa from Liberia to Angola; Raphia laurenti de Wild, Angola, Zaire, Central African Republic; Raphia longiflora G. Man and Amp.H, Wendell, from Nigeria to Zaire; Raphia mambalensis Otedo, Nigeria, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Sudan; Raphia manii Becc, Nigeria, Bioko; Raphia matum de Wild, Cabinda, Zaire; Raphia monbatorum Drude, Nigeria, Cameroon, Chad, Central African Republic, South Sudan; Raphia palma pinus Hutch, Western Africa from Liberia to Cabinda; Raphia R.regalis Becc, Central Africa from Nigeria to Angola; Raphia rostrata Burrit, Cabinda, Zaire; Raphia rwanzorica Otedo, Eastern Zaire, Rwanda, Burundi; Raphia sesc de Wild, Zaire; Raphia sudanica A. Chev, Western Africa from Senegal to Cameroon; Raphia tidagera Mart, Nigeria, Cameroon, Central America, South America; Raphia textilis Welw, Cabinda, Zaire, Gabon, Angola; Raphia vinifera P. Bove, Western Africa from Zaire to Benin. Cultivation and uses. Fiber: Raphia fiber is widely used throughout the world. It is used in twine, rope, baskets, placemats, hats, shoes, and textile. The fiber is produced from the membrane on the underside of each individual frond leaf. The membrane is taken off to create a long, thin fiber which can be dyed and woven as a textile into products ranging from hats to shoes to decorative mats. Plain raphia fibers are exported and used as garden ties or as a natural string in many countries, especially when one wishes to graft trees. Raphia is used to hold plant parts together, as this natural rope has many benefits for this purpose. Raphia fibers have many uses, especially in the area of textiles and in construction. In the local environments, they are used for ropes, sticks and supporting beams, and various roof coverings are made out of its fibrous branches and leaves. Raphia wine. Raphia palm also provides an important cultural drink. The sap contains sugars. It is traditionally collected by cutting a box in the top of the palm and suspending a large gourd to collect the milky white liquid. Unlike oil palms, this process kills the tree. Sap from both the raphia and oil palms can be allowed to ferment over a few days. When first collected from the tree, it is sweet and appears slightly carbonated. As it ages, more sugar is converted. The sap is usually called wine. The raphia wine tends to be sweeter at any age when compared to oil palm wine. Both kinds of palm wine can also be distilled into strong liquors, such as ogogoro. Traditionally in some cultures where raffia and/or oil palm are locally available, guests and spirits are offered these drinks from the palm trees. The raffia palm is important in societies such as that of the province of Bohol in the Philippines, Cuba of Democratic Republic of the Congo, NSO of Cameroon, the Igbo and Ibibio, Anang of southeastern Nigeria, the Urhobo and Ijaw people of Niger Delta Nigeria, and the Yoruba of southwestern Nigeria, among several other West African ethnic nations.